Hello, in this video I'm gonna share with you a quick demo of how to use the Kansei app to practice language and to get feedback. This AI tool connects the users with lifelike personas in Spanish, German, English, Japanese, and French to elevate language skills. You can firstly click on the Chat Now button and start the conversation. This sidebar allows you to control some of the parameters for the conversation. That kind of helps build familiarity with different common scenarios. You can also select the language level that you want the bot to use, if you want it to be more complex or beginner. To talk, you can either chat by typing your message or you can just record it. You can see the feedback given to your message under the conversation section. Additionally, you can record your voice and see its transcript. Also, you can listen the response by AI persona. It will help you correct grammatical, punctuation, or contextual mistakes that you make as you are going through the conversation. So, it allows the users to practice language skills and to get valuable feedback on grammar and sentence construction.